Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle's automatic savings. Let's get straight into it. First thing you got to do is to open the Zelle's app, or you can access it through your bank's mobile app. Once you're on the Zelle app, just log into your account, and once you're logged in, you want to tap on the settings or account tab, and then tap on automatic savings or savings goal. Next, you want to set your savings goals, such as a specified amount. So it could be that you want to save a specific amount regularly, or it could be that you want to save a percentage of your income regularly. Next, you want to choose how often you want to transfer funds to your savings account. It could be weekly, it could be bi-weekly, or it could be monthly. And then next, you want to set the amount that you want to transfer to your savings account each period. And after that's done, you want to confirm your savings setup, and Zelle will automatically transfer funds to your savings account according to your setup. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Zelle's automatic savings. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.